In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ClickUp to Google Sheets using the App Center or Integrations section. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign in to your ClickUp workspace. Once you're inside ClickUp, look for the App Center or the Integrations area, depending on the version of the interface you see. This is the place where ClickUp allows you to connect with other tools, automate actions, and send information between platforms. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace before continuing, especially if you manage more than one. Next, find Google Sheets in the list of available integrations and begin the connection process. ClickUp will ask you to sign in to your Google account if you haven't already, and then you'll be prompted to grant permissions. Go ahead and allow full access as requested so the integration can read from and send data to your spreadsheets properly. This permission step is important because without the right level of access, the connection may be incomplete or the automation may fail later. If your browser blocks pop-ups, you may need to allow them briefly so the Google authorization window can open. After the account is connected, choose the trigger you want to use. A trigger is simply the event that tells the integration when to run. For example, you might select Task Created in ClickUp if you want new tasks to automatically appear in a Google Sheet. This is a great option if you want to build a running log of incoming work, create reports, or keep data visible outside of ClickUp for other team members. Once the trigger is selected, you'll move on to mapping your fields. This means deciding which ClickUp task details should go into which spreadsheet columns. For example, the task name can go into one column, the status into another, and the due date into its own column. Take your time during this part because accurate field mapping keeps your spreadsheet clean and useful. It's also a good idea to make sure your spreadsheet already has clear column headers so the matching process is easier. When everything looks correct, turn on the integration. From that point forward, ClickUp will send information to Google Sheets based on the trigger and field mapping you set up. After enabling it, it's smart to test the workflow by creating a sample task and confirming that the data appears in the correct spreadsheet columns. And that's it. You've successfully connected ClickUp to Google Sheets and automated the flow of task data.